This is Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. We're at the 2016 Automation Fair event in Atlanta, and I'm at the Hammond Power Solutions booth with Mike here. Mike, tell us what your company does.
Our company builds custom and catalog transformers and reactors. So they're used in all types of applications, everything from a small control panel to variable frequency drives to very large medium voltage transformers that could be used on substations or like on a Rockwell MCC motor control center.
And I know you're highlighting a couple really important products here. There's a lot of attendees hovering around your booth and excited. Tell me about those.
Oh, absolutely. We've gotten a lot of people looking at our DOE 2016 transformers. And the reason we call it DOE 2016 is the Department of Energy on the January 1st of this year updated all their efficiency levels for both low voltage and medium voltage, which required a redesign of the transformers to meet these new standards. And they were really aggressive standards. The efficiency levels were increased by 25 to 30% on most of those units. We really had to work on redesigning the core, and we used some technologies that you'd call mitered core or a step lap core or wound core design. We actually worked and created another company that actually does just core manufacturing now to work with Hammond to get all these new core designs into our company. So it's a massive project. It's been great for Hammond. We've been able to supply our customers with all these new units. It's been wonderful for customers too, because of the greater efficiency standards. The customers will enjoy a lot of energy savings throughout the 30, 40, or 50-year lifetime of the transformer.
And those standard changes were a really big deal.
They were massive. A lot of manufacturers had some problems with it. Again, basically every manufacturer who builds these products, either low voltage or medium voltage, had to completely redesign their product lines to meet the new stuff. There wasn't any real simple solution to do it.
And there's also a lot of attendees hovering around this other product here. Tell us about that.
The larger transformer off to my left is what we call a cast coil transformer, and that would be an example of a medium voltage transformer. You can tell because it's a lot larger, bigger. The other big difference is that it uses a casting process. So normally when we build our low voltage transformers and some of our medium voltage as well, we just dip it into an insulation and we bake it. With the casting process, we actually put a mold around the coils, which allows us to put a much thicker supply of resin and some fiberglass and some other stuff that we do to it too. But that thicker coating helps better protect the coils, makes the units physically smaller because I don't need as large of air gaps, and it also aids in things like how you clean it or maintain it. It's able to be put in a much more aggressive environments without as many enclosure changes as what we'd have to do with the VPI transformer. So it's a neat new construction technique for the North American market.
And very efficient.
Absolutely. Yeah, the same efficiency levels for both cast coil and VPI.
And I know you have also a cabinet here in the booth, so let's take a look at what that is too.
Great.
So we're back here talking with Sonella about their cabinet. Sonella, tell us about what you're displaying here and what the attendees are excited about.
Okay, what we are doing here is we have highlighting the drive cabinet that we built. It shows how the HPS product, specifically HPS reactor, could complement Rockwell products to provide the best solution to the customers, such as panel builders and system integrators. Our reactors are built to address both line side and load side issues that arise with demanding AC drive applications. They are very cost effective and they are very easy to install.
And so the customers for these are OEMs and who else?
Most likely, yes, OEMs, panel builders, and system integrators.
And I see that there are some Rockwell Automation Allen Bradley products in there. So as an Encompass partner, Hammond Power Solutions products are compatible with all the Rockwell products then?
Yes, that's exactly true, and that's what we are highlighting here, how the alignment between industry leaders actually could solve any of the customers' potential application challenges. So we brought together HPS products along with the Rockwell products.
Well, that would explain why everyone's excited here to be in your booth. So you can learn so much more about all the products that they're showing here and also offer more on their website that's shown here on the screen. I'm Teresa Hauk at Automation Fair. I'll see you next time.